up, YouTube? It's your girl Fidelemichellle, and right now what we're doing is meal prepping. Okay, don't mind me. I have a bump right here, and my hair just came out of these braids slash twists. About to wash my hair, but yeah. So right now what I have is I have some chopped up chicken breasts. This is about 4 chicken breasts that I chopped up. And I have 4 drumsticks. The drumsticks still aren't done cooking. They still have about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. And the chopped up chicken, it's almost done. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it, and I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. Back in the fridge. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. What I season my chicken with, both chickens, I season both chicken with the same thing. I look so ratchet. I season both chicken with the same thing. I did this garlic sriracha seasoning. I did some onion powder, and I did some Lari seasoning, and I seasoned both chickens with that. So the barbecue sauce I'm using is, look, I'm balling on a budget. So I have this honey sweet barbecue sauce from Kroger, and I have this other one, this Memphis inspired barbecue sauce, and I'm going to use both of those, and I'm going to put this on my chicken. Okay, so I mixed both barbecue sauces in here, and I'm just going to baste it on the chicken. And before I did that, I drained all the juices out of the chicken. How I cook my chicken is I put about 3 to 2 scoops of butter in the pan, and that's it. I just let it cook with some butter so it won't be dry. And I usually do that all the time when I cook chicken. But I just drained that excess butter and whatever water came out of the chicken while it was cooking. And now I'm just gonna do the barbecue sauce. Okay, so the chicken is basted in barbecue sauce, and now I'm gonna put this back in there for 10 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna put this back in there for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so right now I have some basmati rice. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a low-fat rice, and I'm gonna take 2 cups of this. Pour the rice in my rice cooker pot. I'm gonna rinse the rice off with some cold water to get some of that extra starch off of it. And I just swirl it around with my hands. And as you can see, there's like the water is not clear. That's because the rice has a lot of starch on it, and we're gonna rinse it off. Okay, so I just got done cleaning off my rice. As you can see, the water is clear. You can see the rice. So I filled the pot up with water to the 2-cup mark, and I'm gonna cook it in the rice cooker. I don't know exactly how long the rice cooks for. I just know when I turn the rice cooker on, it does its magic and the rice is cooked properly. And my timer went off, so now it's time to take the chopped up chicken out the oven. Okay, you guys, so the rice cooker just popped up about maybe 10 minutes ago. I think the rice cooked for like 15 to 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get some butter and I'm gonna get some salt and pepper and I'm gonna season my rice. I'm gonna take about 1 scoop of butter. And you know when the rice is done cooking because when I turned it on, I went down and I hit cook, and then when it's done, it will pop up and say warm. Put it in my rice, get a little bit more. Okay. So my starch is done, my protein is done. Now we're gonna get into the vegetables. So right now what I'm gonna do is I've had this baby spinach for about 2 weeks now, maybe longer. I froze it so it will not get old. I mean, if you freeze something doesn't mean that it's not gonna get old. Not really, but I froze it so it won't get old. I have a heavy cream and I have some Tuscan garlic seasoning that I'm gonna season my, if this focuses, I have some Tuscan's garlic seasoning that I'm gonna season my spinach with. Stove is on 5 right now. That's about medium. If you don't have numbers, 5 is about medium. So I'm gonna wait for this to get a little hot. I'm just gonna put a little bit of heavy cream, like a little bit, literally nothing. Okay, I'm gonna put that much. And I'm gonna wait for it to get warm. Oh no. I need some love. Ooh, I need some love. Okay, so the pan is warm because the heavy cream is moving now. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that Tuscan garlic. I'm listening to Summer Walker in the background, if y'all heard that. I'm gonna take some of that Tuscan garlic and put it in the pan. And I'm gonna take the spinach, put it in there also. Not this one, that's bad. Okay. Gonna stir that. Spinach cooks really fast. Like, this is the fastest thing, the fastest vegetable ever. And this Tuscan garlic seasoning tastes really good on your vegetables, on your green vegetables. I use it for all my green vegetables. My kale, my spinach, that's basically the only 2 vegetables I eat. But yeah. See, it's not a lot. It gets so small, it shrinks. Excuse me. Okay, you guys, so the kind of containers I use for my meal preps are these. I have these divided trays that I got from Amazon. They have the biggest one that's for your protein, and the two sides for, you know, whatever your starch is, your starch or your fruit or whatever, you know, your two sides, they're going to be the smallest, and your protein is going to be the biggest, so that's why it has the biggest part. Okay, you guys, so I do not measure my meat. I do not measure my protein. I just wing it and eye it. So I'm doing about, I started off with a little spoon, but then it was taking too long, so I'm just using 1.5 scoops of that big scoop. I don't know what this is equivalent to. I don't know how much it is. I'm just eyeing it. Yeah, I know that will fill me up. 1.5 scoops will fill me up. I might not eat all of the 1.5 scoop, but I know I will be full from that alone.
And because of that, unless you have specific needs of potential RGB spectrum, not at 4K, or just...
Okay, you guys, so right now I have 5 meal prep trays that I got together. One of these I'm gonna eat tonight. It's probably gonna be that one because that has the lesser amount of chicken. But the other 4, it's gonna be for my meal prep for the rest of the week. I have spinach in 2 of them. The other 2, I'm going to cook some kale, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. I'm gonna do that another day because I'm ready to go to. I'm ready to stop. But yeah, these 2, I'm gonna cook some kale. But these 2 should last me for the next 2 days. The drumsticks that I have back over there, I'm going to put 2 drumsticks in a tray. So I'm gonna have 2 drumsticks, and I'm gonna meal prep me some more rice, but I'm gonna do that another day. For right now, I'm gonna put the drumsticks to the side. Yeah, so the reason why I've been meal prepping is because I want to stop from getting fast food as much as I've been doing. So this just helps me. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do for a week or for half of a week. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch my previous video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you do. If you meal prep, if you don't meal prep. If you want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. See you in my next video. Peace, love, and infinite blessings. Peace out.